What really happens when a Pakistani manufacturing company implements 5S from scratch? Most people think 5S is just a cleaning, but over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing a real world transformation story of XYZ companies. I'm not mentioning the actual name of these mid-sized production facilities that turned operational chaos into measurable performance using structured 5S implementation, and problems, challenges, solutions, and results which we have combined. This series will cover pre-implementation problem and hidden waste, leadership commitment and Gemba realization, step-by-step execution of all 5S stages, visual management integration, handling implied resistance, KPI tracking and performance, ROI calculation and financial justification of ROI. How cultural transformation after 6 months with real numbers like on-time delivery improvement from 68% to 90%, tool search reduction time from 15 minutes to 2.5 minutes, productivity improvement 19%, accident reduced by 70%. No theory, only discussion. Just structured lean implementation in an industrial context. If you work in manufacturing, supply chain, or operations, this series will be practical and data driven. The first story begins tomorrow. Hidden cost of disorder. Hidden cost of disorder. Are you ready to look your factory differently?